In front of me is Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to download your new default app, like for example Opera Mini in my case, and then go into device settings. Now choose absence notifications over here and click on default apps. In my case, I want to change my browser apps. I have to click on browser app over here and select one of the browsers. I want to set up Opera, so I have to click on it and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!